Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we're out going for a ride. We got pretty much everything here. We got Kyle on the KTM 690. We got this guy from Law Tigers here. He's going to be on the 1190. We got GS. We got one of the Harley Pan Americas back here. Gonna go try some mountain top riding or something. We'll see what we get into. As soon as Kyle gets his tube stuck back in there so it don't fall out. I probably better take up the rear. These guys smoked me on this paved road going over there. And here we go. One thing about out here in California, they're not lacking any dust, that's for sure. So we're out here at the Bon Air Adventure Rally. I think this is day 3 out here. So, should be a good day. Supposed to be some different kind of trails we're going on today. We got to ride some asphalt for a while over to Julian, California, and then down. But just see if I can keep up with these hot rods. Probably not. Hey, look at that little car. That's a mini, it looks like a Mini Cooper truck. I don't know what that was. Alright, we're coming into Julian now. Okay, it says Julian Home and Happenings. I don't know what's happening, but something is happening today, it looks like, because they are packed through here. There's people everywhere. This guy on my left here, this is Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson Rigg. I'm sure you guys seen his videos, but he also has a channel called Mini Bikes. Mini Bikes. But go and check him out. We got something going on today, as many vehicles as there is here. Okay guys, we've made it back to some dirt. This is kind of different dirt here than what we've been riding on the last couple of days here, so a lot more dirt, a lot less rocky, and a lot less sand. Definitely we still got the dust, but yeah, we can live with dust. Choke it up. It says here on the GPS that we are on Boulder Creek Road, just outside of Julian, California. Entering Naja Indian Reservation. Oh. A little more sandiness here. Not deep sand, but more sand on top. Beautiful country. Check out the colors on these trees. Got some cool fall colors going on there. So we're not up in the pines, but I do see some pines up there on the top. Somebody got them an old hunting cabin. Oh no, that looks like a little church, or it used to be. Pretty cool. It's got Kyle Bradshaw right in front of me, and then we got the Harley Pan America in front of him, and the other guys are gone on up. So it's a totally different kind of riding up here in the mountains than it is down in those washes. Those washes around here, when you get down anywhere down low, you're in some super deep sand. Check that out, the mountain range across there. Now that looks pretty sweet. Very cool. So we're leaving the Indian reservation. Check out the mountains out across there. That looks pretty awesome. The big old valley down there too. There you can see it probably good right there. Super cool. Kyle Bradshaw's passing the crew up there. Ah, paved road. Ah, no paved road. That didn't last long. Oh. Cow patty. There's another cow patty. Somebody needs to do a little fence repair, I think. Fences look pretty sad. They're all just falling down around here. Try to stay right. Looks like the dust is going that direction, so I'm going to try to stay over here the best I can. Stay out of most of it. We're going to catch back up to the other guys here in a little bit. The Harley and the GS. Uh-oh, car turn. Watch out. I don't know, he's getting over and let us go by. Maybe. Thank you. Less dust when you're not following a car. They make a lot of dust. Awesome road. There's some little bit of everything: sandy, gravelly, some hard pack, some washboard. There's even a couple little paved spots out through here. Man, these roads are long. It's a long ways across here. I can see it on the map, and it's like it's just a twisty gravel road for a lot of miles up ahead here. Check out this dirt wall here. Big old rock right there in that corner. Yeah, we're probably going way over there where that dirt wall is along the road. I'm pretty sure. I definitely have to change my air filter when I get back from this trip, no doubt. I think the smartest person on these kind of rides is the leader. Not in all the dust back here. There's a good riding out there. So these Moto's Tractionators are doing really good. Not saying they're perfect, 100%, but they're pretty darn good. They're some of the best I've had. They, you know, compared to the stock, they're not even in the ballpark, so you can't compare them to stock. Check out that road. I mean, it goes down in there. That pole line is what looks cool down along there. That'd be the one to go over. Be better than this road. This is just a dusty dirt road, but that over there would be awesome, I bet you. Don't know if you're allowed to drive on it, probably not. But it does look like people have been. Take a look at that view out across there. Pretty cool. Lots of rocks sticking up out there. So there's definitely some offshoots that are off-road that would be pretty cool on this road. Did you guys, the one spot, like right back there somewhere, had some, when I went there, like dust? You notice that was like a dusty spot in the road. You never see that? I'm eating everybody's dust. It was better when that car got out of the way. Dang car would make a hell of a lot of dust. I bet. And we stopped and eat, and now we're back on the road again. There's a good restaurant right back there. Yeah, don't ask me the name. I'm not good at paying attention to nothing, that's for sure. Just the road. Alright guys, we've made it back to Julian, California. That was an awesome loop. So we got some gravel roads, some sandy gravel roads, back to the asphalt through the twisties. Pretty cool. Oh, it's been a lot of fun riding with Kyle from Nelson Rigg, the Law Tigers, the two guys up there with him are from Law Tigers. The guy right here on the Harley, super guy. These are all super guys, a lot of fun. So please comment below what you think of this area, what do you think about my videos. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe down below, and we'll catch y'all on the next adventure. Right on.